MISP, Open Source Threat Intelligence and Sharing Platform, explained in 2024. Hey everyone. Have you ever heard about how MISP helped a cybersecurity team thwart a potentially devastating ransomware attack just last month? By sharing critical threat intelligence in real time, they were able to identify the attack vectors before any damage was done. That's the power of MISP, and today we're diving deep into what makes this platform a game changer in the world of cybersecurity. So, what exactly is MISP? Well, it stands for Malware Information Sharing Platform, and it's an open-source threat intelligence platform that's super important in today's cybersecurity landscape, especially in 2024. With cyber threats evolving faster than ever, having a robust system in place to share and analyze threat data is crucial. MISP allows organizations to collaborate and share threat intelligence seamlessly. You can think of it as a community where everyone shares insights and experiences to fight off cyber threats more effectively. Pretty cool, right? In this video, we've got some exciting stuff lined up. Our main goals today are to break down MISP's incredible features, explore its role in threat intelligence sharing, and give you practical insights on how to utilize it effectively. Whether you're a cybersecurity pro or just starting out, understanding MISP can really enhance your defensive strategies. So let's roll up our sleeves and get into it. All right, let's get started. First up, we're going to walk through how to set up MISP. Don't worry, I'll make this as smooth as possible. First, we'll need to download the latest version from the official MISP GitHub repository. Once you've got that, we'll go through the installation process step by step. I'll show you how to install it on a server, configure the database, and get everything up and running. By the end of this section, you'll have your own MISP instance ready to go. Now that we've got MISP up and running, let's take a look at some of its key features. One of the coolest aspects of MISP is the ability to share attributes. You can easily link incidents and maintain a detailed threat library. This means when you come across a new threat, you can quickly share it with your network. Plus, MISP's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and find the information you need. Whether it's tagging indicators of compromise or tracking threat actors, MISP has you covered. Don't forget about the built-in API that allows you to integrate MISP with other tools you might be using for even more powerful threat intelligence sharing. Let's get into some practical tips on how to maximize your use of MISP for threat intelligence sharing. First off, always keep your data organized. Make sure to input data accurately and consistently to ensure that everyone can understand and utilize the information effectively. Collaboration is key, so don't hesitate to reach out to other MISP users in your community. Create a rhythm of sharing. The more you share, the more valuable your instance becomes. And remember, never underestimate the power of tagging. Properly tagging your data can help in quickly identifying trends and patterns in threats. Now let's paint a picture of MISP in action. Imagine a scenario where you're part of a security team that's just received a new alert about a phishing campaign targeting your industry. Using MISP, you quickly check your threat library and discover that similar attacks have been reported by other organizations in your network. Thanks to the intelligence shared through MISP, you can implement preventative measures immediately, blocking the malicious domains and educating your team about the phishing attempts before they can cause any damage. This is real-world application and effectiveness of MISP right here. So, to recap, MISP is not just a tool, it's a vital part of the cybersecurity ecosystem that enhances collaborative efforts against threats. Its features allow for seamless information sharing and can significantly improve your organization's defense mechanisms. By leveraging MISP, you're not just protecting your own assets, but also contributing to the greater good in the fight against cybercrime. If you're as excited about MISP as I am, go ahead and explore it further. Dive into the documentation, set up your instance, and start sharing intelligence with your community. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome cybersecurity content and check out my next video where we'll delve into advanced threat intelligence techniques. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.